How to scan QR code on Android phone. So if you need to quickly scan QR code with your phone, I'm going to show you several ways how you can do this. Let's get started. The first way is to use default Android camera. Just open up your camera and you're going to point the camera at the QR code to see the link on the bottom. Now tap little arrow to expand options and choose Search Web. Let's just refresh the camera. I was talking too much, so it just reset it. Let's tap Search Web. And now we can see basically the content of this QR code, the information it contains. If for some reason the camera method is not for you, so it's not working, then the second way is to access your quick settings by swiping down from the top right. Then swipe down again and find Scan QR code option. If it's not here, tap pen icon on the top and add to your quick settings. Now click on that and again point the camera at the QR code. Tap Search Web and also open the content of this QR code. So, the third method is to use Google Lens. Go ahead and open your Play Store and install Google Lens app. Let's open it right away. And I'm gonna just point it at this smaller QR code. Let's try to do this. Or let's just point it at the big one and tap the search button. And now it will be scanned and you should see the results down below. My QR code is not so good, so it does not contain any important information. So we can see just the numbers as a result or the package of user manual. And now if the QR code is on your screen, so you cannot scan it with your camera, let me just find any QR code quickly. So for example, it's on your screen. What you can do is you can take a screenshot of the QR code. And now you have two ways. You can either open gallery, press and hold on the QR code and choose open link. Or what else you can do is you can again access your quick settings, find QR code scanner option, and from here select the gallery icon on the bottom. Now let's refresh it, tap gallery, and select the QR code. Adjust it if needed, click done. And after that, you'll be able to open a link of the QR code once again. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Bye bye.